Friends, here is a question. The given figure shows a right angle triangle PQR. S and T are the points on PQ and QR respectively, such that QS is perpendicular to PQ and QS is equal to 1/3 of PQ and QT is equal to 1/3 of QR. Prove that 18 into bracket PT square plus RS square close the bracket, which is equal to 20 PR square. Friends, here it is given that PQR is a right angle triangle right angled at Q, and S and T are the points on the sides PQ and QR, such that this QS is 1/3 of PQ. This QS is 1/3 of PQ. So this QS is 1/3 of PQ. And this QT is 1/3 of QR. QT is 1/3 of QR. And we have to prove that 18 into bracket PT square plus RS square close the bracket, which is equal to 20 PR square. So friends, here first we will take that triangle PQT. In this triangle, in triangle PQT, in triangle PQT. Since this triangle PQT is a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, and therefore we will get PT square, square of the hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So it will be PQ square plus QT square. But we know that QT is what? It is 1/3 of QR. So it is PT square, which is equal to PQ square plus 1/3 of QR bracket square. So PT square, that will be equal to PQ square plus 1/3 square will be 1/9 into QR square. So let this be equation number 1. Now similarly we will take the triangle QRS. In this triangle QRS, this Q is 90 degree, therefore this is the right angle triangle, and here also we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle QRS, square of the hypotenuse, that is RS square is equal to RS square is equal to what? It will be QS square plus QR square. QS square plus QR square. But this QS is what? It is 1/3 of PQ. So put the value. So RS square, that is equal to 1/3 of PQ bracket square plus QR square. Now solve this. So RS square, that will be equal to what? 1/9 PQ square plus QR square. Let this be equation number 2. Now we will take the another triangle that is triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, what we have? Square of the hypotenuse, that is PR square, that is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Everywhere you write the reason, that Pythagoras theorem. And now here let this be the number 3. Now we will add equation number 1 and the equation number 2. In the given figure, triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD upon AB is equal to 5/12 and AC is given as 18 centimeter. Then what is the length of EC? Friends, it is given that ABC is a triangle and DE, this is parallel to BC, this DE is parallel to BC, and it is given that AD upon AB, that is equal to 5 by 12. This is given, and it is also given that AC, this total length, is given as 18 centimeter. This total length is given as 18 centimeter, and we have to find EC. This EC we have to find. And since we know that in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, then by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. So here in triangle ABC, DE is given as parallel to BC, and therefore we can say that AD upon AB, that is equal to AE upon AC by corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Now here we know that AD upon AB, that is given as 5 by 12, so replace the values as 5 by 12, which is equal to AE upon AC. AC total, this AC is given as 18 centimeter, so it will be 18, and AE will be what? It will be AC minus EC, correct? So it will be 18 minus EC, so it will be 18 minus EC. Now solve this equation to get the value of EC. So this will be, you can solve this as 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. Then multiply by 3 to this side, and it will be 5 3s are 15, which is equal to multiply by 2 to this side. So it will be 18 2s are 36 minus 2 EC. And now take 2 EC to this side, so it will be plus 2 EC. Take 15 to other side, so 36 minus 15, that will be 21, and therefore EC is equal to 21 upon 2, and so EC is equal to 10 by 5 centimeter, and therefore we have got the value of EC as 10.5 centimeter. Highlight your answer. Friends, here is a question. Prove that in the triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. This AD is perpendicular to BC, so this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, and it is also given that this is also of 90 degree. Then we have to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. AB square plus CD square, AB square plus CD square, that is equal to AC square plus BD square. So friends, to prove this, first we will take the triangle ABD. This triangle ABD is a right angle triangle, right angled at D, and therefore in triangle ABD, here AB is a hypotenuse, so square of the hypotenuse, that is AB square, that is equal to AD square plus BD square, AD square plus BD square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Now here take BD square to other side, and so you will get AD square, that is equal to AB square minus BD square. Let this be number 1. And now we will take the another triangle. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, this triangle in triangle ADC, AC is a hypotenuse, so it will be AC square, that is equal to AD square plus BC square, AD square plus BC square. So take BC square to other side, and you will get AD square, that is equal to AC square minus BC square, AC square minus BC square. Let this be number 2. Now friends, from 1 and 2, we see that AD square is equal to this, and AD square is equal to this from 1 and 2. So these two sides must be equal, and therefore AB square minus BD square, which is equal to AC square minus BC square. Now take BC square to this side and BD square to other side. So it will be AB square plus BC square, which is equal to AC square plus BD square, and hence it is proved. This only we have to prove. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.